Okay, this is Cowcat going to the Pier an Everett State, Washington State Parks event.
Love it.
Come on, we're getting started over here. Come on. Oh, come on. Come on.
Wow, not bad. A cat on a leash.
No. Cowcat, come on, Ben.
Come on. Come on.
You have frogs? Very cool. So my name is Craig Hansen. I'm a park ranger for the City of Everett Parks Department, and I get the fortune of spending all summer long out on Jetty Island. And then the other part of my class, yeah, let's just have a seat right here.
Sorry.
No, that's okay. I feel like I've been on my feet all day long. Ah, what a day. So one of my favorite parts of my job is I get to design and teach classes. So I get to put together whatever I think people will show up to. And I went on a very cool class that was put on by People for Puget Sound. They're a group that wants to take care of and make sure Puget Sound is healthy. That's okay. Hi. You going to join us?
Yes.
Excellent.
So, anyone?
Yeah. Perfect. And then what I'll do is I'll just
You try to encourage her to sit down. I don't want her to knock your tea over or anything.
Yeah, just sit there, you sit on my lap.
Add your name to the list. And the boys. Great. Come on, you guys have a seat.